Let's harness the power of antioxidants found in cranberries today in our recipe. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we spend time together in the kitchen creating new recipes to inspire and motivate healthy living choices. Today, we're going to be making fresh cranberry chia pudding. Let's begin by making our chia pudding. So to a large mixing bowl or a large mason jar, we're going to add 2 1/4 cups of your favorite unsweetened nut or oat milk. If you'd like to add in a little bit more fat to your recipe, you can always substitute some of this for light or full fat coconut milk. Always remember to make these recipes work for you and your dietary needs. Next, we're going to add 2/3 cup of chia seeds, which are super high in omega-3 fatty acids that help support healthy brain function as well as supporting a healthy digestion. Last, let's add 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract just for some flavor. Whisk together your ingredients, cover, and then place in your refrigerator for 2 hours or overnight to thicken. Now let's make our fresh cranberry sauce. So most cranberry recipes call for cooking, but let's do something a little bit different today. To your high-speed blender or food processor, we're going to add in 11 large pitted dates, which is about 1 cup worth if you press it down into the measuring cup. Next, let's add 1 8-ounce bag of fresh or frozen cranberries, whatever you have on hand. 1/2 cup of filtered water, the juice from 2 freshly squeezed oranges, which is about 1/2 cup to about 2/3, along with 1 tablespoon of the orange zest. This is going to add a wonderful boost of vitamin C and flavor. Last, for a little bit of spice, I have 1/2 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and then 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. Let your ingredients sit for about 10 minutes to soften up the dates, and then blend or process up your sauce. If need be, add in a little bit more filtered water to get your desired consistency. You can always make the sauce ahead of time and refrigerate it until you're ready to serve it up. To serve, place a scoop of your chia pudding into your serving cup, then some of your cranberry sauce, and then repeat the layers again. Okay, now we're ready to give this cranberry chia pudding a taste. That cranberry sauce is so bright and delicious, so full of flavor. You can definitely taste the orange, it's delicious. And then also with the chia pudding, you can taste the vanilla, so it all goes together super well. This makes a lot of sauce, just so you know. If you don't want as much, just half the amount that I have listed on the recipe. And then also with the sauce, when you're making it, taste it. See if you want to add in a little bit more sweetness. You may want to add maybe just a little bit of maple syrup, but then again, maybe not. It just all depends. Definitely give this one a try. This is super fun, super delicious, and a recipe that you can always make ahead of time, and then it's so easy to prepare. Thanks for joining me today. Hey, I appreciate you, and I'm sending so much love and health to you and yours this holiday season. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.